Yeah. It's gonna be a good show time. Once again, good morning, Philippines. Welcome to the day 2 of motocross racing, the International Motocross here at Tebas MX Park. This is the Tebas Cup 4. Well. Do it right, ride hard, or go home. I love it. Partner, pakayap. Pag-charge ko ng imong kuwan. Kasi na po yan nagmuna yung tunga. Page, the heartthrob of Thailand, riding for Sabang International, and King Good Boy.
O kanang naiban daw nakaharang sa VIP area palihog ko.
Walalak!
Wide
From Thailand.
plate number palihog para mabasa na to.